Celia's?
Yeah.
Yeah, do we like Miss Celia?
Yeah.
Yeah? Miss Celia's going to be on vacation next week, okay? So you're going to stay home. You guys don't look so happy about that. No? No. Maybe before we go back to Miss Celia's, you can learn to say, I love you. Oh, you already know how to say that. Maybe you can learn to say thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, you know how to say thank you too. How about you're welcome?
Welcome.
You can do you're welcome. How about sorry?
Sorry.
Yeah, you know sorry. And you know please? Please. And do you know who is this? That's your brother. What's his name? Is his name Will? Yes, we give your brother kisses. But what's his name?
Friday.
Friday?
Friday.
How about Will?
Will.
Will. Will. All right, we need to get going. We need to get going. We have to go to Miss Celia's. I love you.
I love you.
Mwah.